Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4 of Writing 213. This is a writing week. You should be doing a lot of important writing towards your career research project. A few of you have written to me and said your interviewees got delayed and you didn't get your interview conducted as fast as you wanted to. That's okay. You can still turn that in this week, no problem. And I hope you'll consider using that as a local source of information in your career research project. I've also included 2 more readings this week in the week 4 media tab, where you will need to log in using your UAA login and password. It should be the same as your email login and password to access these articles that will help you think deeply about your career research project and the kinds of details you'd like to include. So you should turn in your draft to me by next Sunday. That's a week from today. And I will get back with you and put you in a peer review group for next week. So we'll engage in peer review, and you'll get to give some feedback to others and receive feedback from your peers before you turn in the final draft. I hope everyone's doing well. Take care and check in.